Good evening, everybody. My name is Stephanie Napier, and I am here today to show you how to make salmon patties. First, we have to get all of our ingredients and our items that we need to make our salmon patties. So we're going to need a mixing bowl. We need our salmon, our black pepper, our salt, an onion, an egg, and some flour. You also need to have access to a stove. Very important, because we have to have a stove to put our frying pan on to fry the salmon patties. So we chop our onions up into fine cut pieces so that we have just enough onion in the bowl so we can mix it up with our salmon patties. Okay, we have our chopped onions in our bowl. And so to the chopped onions, we're going to add our can of salmon. We are going to add 1 egg. We are going to add 3/4 of a cup of flour. We have a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And we have a 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. Once you get all your ingredients in the bowl, you have to mix it up. The best way to mix it up is with your hands. So, if you take your hands and you get all in there really good and you get everything mixed up really good, get your flour in there good, get your eggs mixed up good, because you have to have a good consistency so when you drop it in the oil to fry, that it'll stick together. Okay, first we turn our stove on between 8 and 9 or medium high, depending on what your stove says. And we add some oil to your frying pan, just enough to cover the bottom, maybe 1/4 inch thick or so. And we preheat our oil to about 350. And once it gets to 350, we'll start making our salmon patties. So now we're going to take our salmon patties that we've scooped up with our teaspoon and we'll mold them in our hands. That way they'll take better shape. Once we have them all in the pan, we're going to brown them on one side for 3 to 4 minutes. When the 3 to 4 minutes is up, you take them out and turn them over and brown them on the other side. Okay, so now that they've browned on one side, it's time to turn them over to the other side. Now that they're brown on both sides, we take them out of the fryer and we drain them on a paper towel.